All right, here I have a Rheem, a water heater. All right, and I'm going to take it apart. It's leaking somewhere. The sticker says 2016, okay, and I'll be honest with you, I did not register it. It's 2023 now, but I know this has only been in my house for about 4 years, so they cannot warranty it, of course. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this apart. It was leaking down here. I actually had to you know, get this down here because it was coming, the water was coming all the way up to this sensor right here. And again, I'm not no plumber or anything. I'm just showing you. I had a plumber come over and put the new one in. But I just wanted to take this apart just to see if it's leaking out a seam or what. And he was confused too because he's never seen any of these do this. So it was leaking really bad. And what would happen would, it would keep this sensor here is actually, water was actually flowing out of here. So we dented this to let the water flow out, and it still did heat, but it was still leaking water. So I'm going to take the shell off and see exactly where it was. It was not leaking from here. He also changed this valve here. It was not leaking from there. So I'm going to pull this shelf, all these screws out of here, and pull the shell off and see what happens. But again, they did not reimburse me for anything on this, and I don't know, I'm more curious than anything. But again, the sticker says right here, somewhere around here, 2016 was when it was manufactured, but that doesn't mean it sat on the shelf for a few years, right? And I know there's no way it was over 8 years ago. I know I probably put this in, I didn't put it in, a plumber put it in about 3 years ago. So again, I guess it's my fault for not registering it. The new one though, I am going to register for sure. So we're going to open this up and see where the leak was, okay? All right. Is the garage shut?
Yeah.
You want to catch one with the tennis racket?
Yeah.
Who knows? I just took this out. It could have been leaking from this thing right here. I'm not sure. This looks like it's going to be a little bit harder to take off than I thought, just because of the shell and all this foam that's in there. But as you can see here, all right, that doesn't look corroded or anything, but this does down here, to be honest with you. Look at the corrosion right there. So, man, just wonder if this could have been replaced, you know? I'm not sure. All right, let's see if we can dig back into this a little bit more. And that doesn't look good either. See, that's corroded right there. I'm not sure what that is. You wouldn't think that would be good, right? Oh, is it water, gas, or something in there? Oh, okay. Okay, now again, I'm not no plumber. I got the bottom off, okay? But unfortunately, it don't look like this shell is going to come off for me to be able to see the weld. I don't know if it's worth me even trying to mess around with it, but I really think before you go out and try to replace your water heater, maybe replace this piece here. I mean, look how corroded it is, right? But I cannot really tell if it was leaking down there, but look at this. Look at the hole, okay? So then if I come back under here like this, you can see how soaked all this is right here. All this is just soaked with water still. There's the installation soaked. Oh, but man, it'd be so awesome if I was able to get this shell off and see if it was from there. actually from there, or actually from this inner tank somewhere. So I don't know. So I don't know, maybe that'll help you guys out. So go change this piece first maybe, and go from there, empty your tank and try that. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. And again, I'm not trying to bash this company or anything. I'm just trying to figure out what exactly where the water leak was coming from. So, all right, so I hope this video helped you out. All right, you guys have a good day.